This week on the VeloVlog, I am heading to Magnolia, Texas to ride bikes with Mitchell, and despite the, I guess, less than ideal weather with all the rain in Texas this week, it should still be fun. I'm looking forward to it. What's up?
Hey!
It's like
Try to eat it.
they run around.
Here, try to get him to eat this instead of your hands.
Hey, eat the
Here,
GoPro.
Salt.
Eat the GoPro. Yeah, there you go.
Salt. Eat that. Here, that's what you're supposed to eat.
Oh, it's like a little pacifier.
It is. It's got a tree in there.
She got. What she gonna do?
She started talking to
She's gonna do a little puppy.
his friend Tyler Stewart's girlfriend.
Okay. Starting the ride and hoping it doesn't just dump buckets on us, which it probably will. And the rain just hit. I can't see anything. Average speed of almost 21 miles an hour. It's finally stopped raining. We got hammered there for a second. And we got a ways to go still. Oh! Ride number one, done. And we dropped Mitchell and Brady because we're just way faster than them. Good ride. You looked a little tired there at the end, so just kidding. Alright, we got back. Quick shower. Now we're gonna get some. Well, this is Mitchell says this is his favorite Mexican, so we'll see. Oh, look at that! Y'all open the doors for me.
Future address.
I should grab that off.
Oh, that was good, right? Too much. Alright. Lunch is over. Go back and watch the Olympics.
For like the third time today.
Sounds about right.
Lay on the couch.
What is it? Eat it. Eat it. Oh, there you go. Eat it.
Should we go run? Come on.
Go, go, go.
Come on. Oh God, it's okay. Sucks right now.
So.
All kitted up, ready for day 2.
After a little over 5 hours, day 2, ride 2 is over at 104 miles. So finally made it back, and that's the end of the vlog. So sign off here. Bye. Mitchell, all these flats are going in the vlog. Everyone's gonna know how much you flat. Is that embarrassing?
It's really not. It's not embarrassing?